Welcome to PRADHAN'S Education. In today's video, we will be discussing the companies that have declared dividends for September 2024. Let's dive into the details. Firstly, Reliance Chemotech Industries Limited has declared a dividend of 1 rupee per share. The current trading price for Reliance Chemotech is 251 rupees, and the company has a market cap of 189 crore rupees. The ex-date for this dividend is 4th September 2024. Next, we have Hidimba Industries Limited, which has announced a dividend of 1 rupee and 25 paise per share. Hidimba Industries is currently trading at 371 rupees, with a market cap of 1,492 crore rupees. The ex-date for this dividend is set for 5th September 2024. Moving on, the New India Assurance Company Limited has declared a dividend of 2 rupees and 6 paise per share. The current trading price for New India Assurance is 285 rupees, and it boasts a substantial market cap of 45,468 crore rupees. The ex-date for this dividend is 6th September 2024. Additionally, Triveni Engineering and Industries Limited has announced a dividend of 1 rupee and 25 paise per share. Triveni Engineering is currently trading at 404 rupees, with a market cap of 8,754 crore rupees. The ex-date for this dividend is also 6th September 2024. Lastly, Harsha Engineers International Limited has declared a dividend of 1 rupee per share. Harsha Engineers is trading at 562 rupees, with a market cap of 5,075 crore rupees. The ex-date for this dividend is 9th September 2024. If you want to know more about the stock market and dividend investing, you can read the books linked in the description below. Also, if you want to open a Demat account, you can do so from the link given below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PRADHAN'S Education for more updates on the stock market and dividends. See you in the next video.